Happy Friday. Lululemon's shares slumped this week after the clothing retailer warned investors that the Omicron variant would put a strain on sales. Q4 sales were trending closer to the bottom of its range of $2.125 billion to $2.165 billion. RBC CEO Dave McKay told Bloomberg News that the country's central bank would need to take rapid action with multiple interest rate hikes. He further warned that these moves were necessary to address the issue of sustained inflation. Bitcoin briefly dipped below its $40,000 US mark on Monday, hitting its lowest level since September. It was since able to regain its losses in a volatile trading period since coming off its November highs. Lindemaw founder Frank Hassenfratz passed away at the age of 86 in his home surrounded by family. He is fondly remembered as a well-respected entrepreneur and left a tremendous impact on the Canadian business environment since immigrating in 1957. Taiwan and Canada held exploratory discussions around boosting trade ties as Taipei looks to lessen its reliance on China. Mary Ng, Minister for International Trade, met with Taiwanese Minister John Deng to further these talks. U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said on Tuesday that the central bank was preparing to raise interest rates as the economy no longer needed the stimulus and inflation is getting out of hand. Powell has a point on the inflation front, which he called a severe threat, as headline CPI reached its highest rate since the early 1980s. Rogers Communication is now appointing Tony Staffieri as CEO on a more permanent basis to guide the company through its Shaw Communications deal. This comes after Edward Rogers won the dispute with his family and positioned Staffieri as interim CEO late last year.